Hi friends, we're starting with a chapter called Areas Related to Circles. Yeah, in this chapter we are going to talk about the circumference, जिसको perimeter को हम लोग circumference भी बोलते हैं. Triangle या rectangle या square में which are usually pointed figures या vertices होते हैं ना. Circle में there is no vertex, it is just a round you can say. So whenever we are talking about pointed figures or pointed shapes or pointed structures, we say that it is a perimeter, matlab sum of all sides. But when you're talking about a circle, we talk about the circumference. It's like a perimeter. So perimeter is substituted by the word called circumference. So हम लोग सर्कल के एरिया के बारे में बात करेंगे, सर्कल के circumference के बारे में बात करेंगे in this chapter. And then further down the line we will speak about the arc, the minor sector, the major arc, the quadrant, basically something related to circles. मतलब सर्कल्स को मैंने आधे में काटा तो सेमी सर्कल बनता है, उसके फॉर्मूला के बारे में वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट. अगर मैंने सर्कल को एक चौथाई हिस्से में काटा, दैट इज 1/4, it becomes a quadrant or a quarter circle. Then if we cut the circle in a piece of a cake, केक खाते ना एक टुकड़ा ऐसे काटा, तो that becomes a sector of a circle. We're going to talk about areas of sector, perimeter of sector. Eventually we're going to talk about things which are related to a circle in this chapter. Right? So to start with the first exercise, or before the first exercise, there are couple of formulas. There are 3 formulas which I'm going to start with. First one, if I'm talking about a circle, we very well know that this is going to be the center of the circle, जिसको मैं O नाम देता हूं, and this is going to be the radius of the circle, which is represented by R. There is a point P on the circumference of the circle. अच्छा, ये भी radius है. Now can I say R plus R is going to be the diameter. So diameter is twice the radius. We all know that. So we start with the formula. Diameter is equals to 2 times the radius, first point. Second, if I'm talking about the area matlab the inner portion, the shaded region, this is called area of a circle. So area of a circle is given by the formula pi r square. Pi होता है ना, it is a constant, it is a mathematical constant, pi बोलते हैं, और इसका जो वैल्यू है वो यूजुअली 22/7 है, और it is 3.142. Now it is an irrational number actually. Pi is an irrational number, but just remember, solving convenience के लिए मैं उसको 22/7 लेता हूं sometimes, or sometimes I will take it as 3.142. क्वेश्चन में it will be mentioned. नहीं मेंशन किया है कि पाई क्या लेना है, by default take 22/7, else take 3.14 if it is mentioned specifically. ब्रैकेट में क्वेश्चन में मेंशन करेंगे take pi as 3.14, वरना 22/7. So area is pi into radius का square. Third, circumference of a circle, which is just like a perimeter, yeah, the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. And fourth, चलो ना, doesn't the circle resemble a wheel? काट का जो व्हील होता है, गाड़ी का जो पहिया होता है, जो व्हील होता है, so it is circular in shape, right? So we also have a formula which relates to the number of revolutions. अगर गाड़ी का पहिया एक 360 डिग्रीज का मारता है रोटेशन, that means it completes one revolution. Yeah, it completes one revolution. So basically guys, revolution is nothing but a 360 degree का turn, 360 degree का complete घूमना by a circle is said to be a revolution. So with respect to this concept, we have a formula. The formula is number of revolutions made by the wheel is equal to total distance covered by the vehicle upon 2 pi r. That is the circumference of the circle. So with the help of these four formulas, I'm going to start with my first solved example followed by the first exercise. पहले ये चारों formulas है ना by heart करो अभी के अभी. ये formulas सिर्फ पहले exercise में use होने वाले हैं. Second exercise के we have another set of formulas. So we will do a concept, a set of formula, solve the sums. Next set of formula, solve the sums. So let's begin with the first solved example, students. पहला वाला. Right. This is going to be your solved example number 1. Okay. I have the cost of fencing a circular field at rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. Take pi as 22/7. समझ के करो. एक फील्ड है, मैं गांव में रहता हूं, खेती बाड़ी करनी है मेरे को, तो एक सर्कुलर फील्ड है. गांव में ना जंगली सुअर है. They are wild animals, wild pigs are there. They enter my field and they screw it up यार. A lot of problems are created because of those wild animals. they waste हो जाता है मेरा, खा जाते हैं गांव में ये चारा. So मैं क्या करता हूं, मैं फेंसिंग करता हूं. I want to fence it so that my field is protected, right? फेंसिंग का है ना, मैं एक आदमी को बुलाता हूं, ये इधर आ, कितना लेगा फेंसिंग करके दे मेरे को. अच्छा. He said कि सर जी the rate is 24 per meter. मैं बोला वो सब नहीं समझता है मेरे को, मुझे पूरे का खर्चा बता, टुगेदर साथ में खर्चा बोल भाई. 24 पर मीटर वो सब तू तेरे पास रख, ये सब हाँ मुझे ज्ञान मत दे. Give me the final answer. He calculated and he told me, sir, total खर्चा 5280 आएगा. So I thought कि सुन, अगर 1 मीटर का खर्चा 24 रुपीज है, 1 मीटर फेंसिंग, 1 मीटर फेंसिंग, समझो ना, ये 1 मीटर है. फेंस हमेशा बाहर ही होता है ना, अंदर थोड़ी फेंस करूंगा. अरे अंदर फेंस करूंगा तो उगाऊंगा क्या? What will I plough then? Fencing is always on the borders, the circumference. So if 1 meter cost is rupees 24, how many meters will be 5280? So how many meters is going to be rupees 5280? Cross multiply. So you have 5280 is equals to 24 into x. Get the 24 down. 5280 upon 24. 24 twos are 48, 24 twos are, so x is equals to 220 meters. Students, this is the complete fencing. That means 220 is the circumference of a circle. मतलब इतना मुझे फेंस कराना पड़ेगा so that my field is completely protected from all sides. So I can say that 220 is the circumference of circle. Exactly. So I will say circumference is 220 meters. Formula of circumference is 2 pi r. 220 upon 2 pi. 2 ones are 2, 1 1 zeros are. Radius होगा 110 upon pi. Pi is 22 upon 7. ऊपर जाएगा, 7 ऊपर जाएगा. 11 tens are 11 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So the radius of the field is 35 meters. ये मेरा फील्ड का रेडियस है. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि अंदर प्लविंग का कितना खर्चा होगा इफ इट इज ½ रुपी पर मीटर स्क्वायर. सो पहले तो अभी मुझे अंदर खेती बाड़ी करनी है. आई वांट टू प्लव द फील्ड. दैट मींस obviously I'm going to find the area now. Yes, so I will say area of the field is pi r square because it's area of circle. So it makes it 22 upon 7 into 35 into 35. 7 fives are 35. 22 fives are 110 into 35, which is 3850 meter square. इतना एरिया मुझे प्लव करना है. Now what is the cost of ploughing? 1 meter square cost is half rupees. अठाना 0.50 पैसे बोला है ना, 0.50 rupees. So if 1 meter square का खर्चा is half a rupee, then 3850 meter square का खर्चा will be how much? Can I call it as Y? The total cost of internal ploughing the field. Cross multiply. So Y is 3850 into half. So Y will be 1925 rupees. So the cost of ploughing the field is rupees 1925. अगर मैं तुम लोग को टोटल खर्चा पूछता हूं कि भाई फेंसिंग प्लस प्लविंग सब मिला के कितना खर्चा हुआ, हाउ मच डिड आई स्पेंड ऑन द एंटायर थिंग? इट विल बी 1925 फॉर द इनर पार्ट एंड फॉर द फेंसिंग आउटर पार्ट 5280. Have you understood the concept? Right? Alright, going on with the first exercise, there was only one solved example. Very question mark from my side. Why only one? 3-4 तो दो ना practice के लिए. चलो, nevertheless, first exercise 12.1. Radii of two circles are 19 and 9 respectively. Find the radius of another circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of circumferences of these two circles. Easy है, break the English to maths. सुनो. Look, this is your exercise 12.1. There were two circles. एक का रेडियस छोटा r is 9 सेंटीमीटर, दूसरे का रेडियस बड़ा r is 19 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है ना? ये दो सर्कल्स है with two radii. Find the circumference of हमारा सर्कल, मेरा सर्कल. Yeah, हमारा सर्कल, let's say it is this one, whose radius is x. So this is the radius of हमारा सर्कल जो हम लोग को ढूंढना है. There is a condition given. The condition is इसका circumference is equal to the sum of circumferences of the two other circles. ठहरो. Let this be circle C1, circle C2 and circle C. मुझे बोला गया है कि circumference of हमारा सर्कल is equal to the circumferences, to the sum of the circumferences of the other two circles. समझा? कॉन्सेप्ट समझा? circumference का फॉर्मूला is 2 pi into radius. उसका radius is x. This is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r capital. Okay, so 2 pi x, take 2 pi common. You are left with r plus r. 2 pi cancel. 9 plus 19. So the radius is going to be 28 centimeter. This is the radius of हमारा circle. Question में क्या पूछा है? Find the radius of the circle. 28 centimeter. Right? Next question. Question number 2. Find the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of areas. Same sum है. इसमें there was a relation of circumference. Next sum में there is a relation of area. Same method से करने वाला हूं. डायग्राम भी सेम बनाऊंगा. सब सेम है. सिर्फ circumference के relation के जगह पे they have given me a relation with respect to the areas. Let's see that. Again, I'll use the same color combinations. There are two circles. One of them having radius r and another having radius capital R. ठीक है ना? Okay, दो circles हैं. एक का सेंटर C1, दूसरे का सेंटर C2, वो भी सेम. हमारा सर्कल बड़ा सर्कल, रेडियस x एंड सेंटर C. ठीक है? Okay. The radius of one circle is given as 6 centimeter and the radius of the other is given as 8 centimeter. This time I have been told the area of हमारा circle is equal to the sum of areas of the other two circles. हमारे सर्कल का एरिया ए, अच्छा इसमें सकम्फ्रेंस ये तो सेंटर था, ठीक है, हमारे सर्कल का एरिया ए इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ द अदर टू सर्कल्स. लेट्स से इसका एरिया A1, इसका एरिया A2, इसका एरिया A. एरिया का फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर. रेडियस ऑफ हमारा सर्कल इज x, so pi x square is pi r square plus pi r square. Take pi common, r square plus r square, pi cancels out. This is going to be 6 square plus 8 square, 36 plus 64, which is 100. Take square root, हमारे सर्कल का रेडियस is going to be 10 centimeter, right? So these were my two questions. Go through them. We are yet to solve 3 more questions from this exercise.